Hi, this is Dr. Mrinalini Sharma. I'm a plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in Estiva Clinic, Sake. Today, we're going to be talking about glutathione. Now, glutathione has become a household name for skin lightening and brightening. So, in this video, we're going to be talking about how glutathione works and what are the diet and lifestyle changes one can incorporate to boost glutathione naturally. Also, we should be talking about the side effects of glutathione and what all to consider if you're opting for a glutathione therapy to lighten skin. So first of all, what is glutathione? Glutathione is a compound which basically decreases melanin production and also is an enzyme inhibitor which targets melanin and produces more of the lighter color variant compared to the darker pigment in the human body. So this is how glutathione essentially has its skin lightening effect. But in addition to skin lightening, glutathione also has a lot of beneficial effects in the body. It is an antioxidant by which it decreases the aging process, as in it slows down the aging process. It also improves our immune function. It acts as a free radical scavenger, whereby it removes all the toxins from the human body. So it is not only a skin lightening agent, but also has a host of health benefits overall. So today, let's discuss as to what all we can do in our diet and lifestyle to increase glutathione synthesis in our body naturally. First is the intake of certain foods. Now, foods like asparagus, foods like broccoli and spinach, these are very rich sources of glutathione. Also is the avocado, which is again a very popular fruit, and watermelons. These are considered good sources of dietary glutathione. The other sources are sulfur-rich foods, which include onions, garlics. For non-vegetarians, meat, fish and poultry are excellent sources of glutathione. The second thing is also certain lifestyle modifications. Now, studies have shown that adequate sleep decreases the breakdown of glutathione synthesized by the human body. So, getting a good night's sleep also will boost the glutathione levels in your body. Plus, what is important is to have moderate levels of exercise every day, which again boosts the glutathione activity in the human body. So these are the natural ways in which one can sustain the glutathione levels in the body without resorting to external therapies. However, if you are looking for something more dramatic, say a skin lightening change which you want out of glutathione, then obviously we'll have to supplement this in the form of either oral tablets or IV therapies. So again, what is the most popular question is that as to how effective these treatments are, how safe they are, how long lasting are their results. So first, let's talk about which therapy is more effective, the oral route or the IV route. Now, as we all know, any medicine which is given via the IV route reaches the blood circulation directly. Thereby, it goes without saying that if you take an IV glutathione, it's going to be more effective and faster than what an oral tablet is going to be. Having said so, it is very important that the dose of the IV is well adjusted and not exceeded so that the potential side effects of glutathione do not occur. So there is a limit to say about 3000 mg of glutathione which should be given per week along the IV route. So again, let's talk about what all can increase the activity or increase the effectiveness of your IV glutathione. Ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C, is considered a very important supplement when we are giving glutathione injections because it really helps in boosting the glutathione activity. So whenever you are undergoing a glutathione treatment for skin lightening, make sure that your doctor or physician also gives you vitamin C supplementation along with it in the form of the IV drip. Now, certain compounds are also to be incorporated these days, which are trace elements like selenium, zinc, magnesium. However, these are supposed to be given in a separate IV solution rather than mixing them with the glutathione and the ascorbic acid. Now, these are all ways in which the glutathione therapy becomes more effective. Now, results are not immediately visible. So, it's not like you take one shot of glutathione and you're going to have instant effects. It takes about 2 to 3 weeks for the results to start becoming visible. So we always tell our patients that you're going to take at least 2 to 3 sessions before you start seeing any visible changes. Again, these changes most often occur on the peripheries first. So you'll see a lightening of your hands and your feet before you really see changes on your face. So that's again one thing which you have to remember. Then the second question comes as to how permanent these results are. So glutathione is basically acting for skin lightening by reducing the synthesis of melanin. However, the effects will last only as long as the glutathione stays in the body and is not eliminated. That is why these results are not really permanent. Also, oral supplementation in the form of drugs once you have finished with the IV sessions can help in prolonging the effects of glutathione. To summarize, glutathione can be boosted by a variety of diet, exercise and lifestyle changes, in addition to seeking therapies in the form of IV injections or oral tablets which increase glutathione levels in the body. However, one note of caution is that you should always take glutathione from an established practitioner who knows the side effects of increasing the dose limitations, and don't do this DIY therapy of taking the glutathione injections yourself and injecting them at home, because this can potentially be lethal if the precautions are not taken. This is to summarize glutathione today for you, and any further doubts, any further questions regarding glutathione, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.